your boy PRINCEZACH, and I'm back in the place with another epic video. For today's video, I'm doing an epic reaction to this wonderful family. Yes, the Prince family. I have an epic video, there, but I don't video them banger. Go and subscribe to their channel. Yeah, you see me. So me the reaction video to them video is that them react to them 12-year-old brother. Not react to it. Then distract towards the level because we still could release it. The 12-year-old brother actually do this distract. And like, you know, expect say, yo, your brother older than your man, you would. Your brother is older than him, have a clap back, and him going to make a bigger hit because he's older than you. And the father like, yeah, he knocked him father out with a punch. So, I'm stop laughing. But enjoy, please like, share, and subscribe because them people are so funny, very lit video. Like, share, subscribe, don't forget to turn on post notification. And let's get into this epic music video. Here we go. So yeah, we're there now. I'm hoping I'm ready for the video because me ready. I'm totally ready. So let's get it. Banger! Let's go. It's coming up now. Before me even start, I'm actually adjust this. The nigga own actually two Lambo, a red and a black. A green, a red and a green. And the brother say, all in do a catch Uber. All in do a catch Uber. What is it? I was watching his reaction video towards it and he said, all time he catch Uber is when man go to the airport. And that is not if you catch freaking Uber when you go to the airport because when you go drive a car to the airport for, we go drive it come back. So if you catch it Uber, yes, if you catch it Uber for going to the airport. So continue. That was a banger. I was speechless. Let's start. Let us watch it. I'm not gonna get the ears. So now we're gonna go back and we're gonna talk about it. So let's start from the beginning. man. First of all, yeah, you see, oh, brother, the nigga took you on a shopping spree. You man support them, man, help them, and I'll show be a big brother. Yeah, this is for the nigga. He's your older brother. You need to show some respect to the nigga. Yeah, show some respect to him. If I had a older brother, I would have showed respect to him. I ain't gonna lie. I would have showed respect to him, not at all time. You see me? Continue. You're broke. You're broke. You're broke. You're broke. 12 years old. Oh. You want a man girl. The man girl you want with that. Yeah, as I was saying, you want the man girl that you had 12. Like really? Like seriously, nigga. Seriously. You really still even do that shit? Man, you're pissed on your balls. Like 12 years old, you had to that up to now. Wow. Whoa. Dogs, you have mental problem. Whoa, at your age, at your 12-year-old age, you have mental problem, Bridget. What kind of thing that if you have mental problem at 12 years, what kind of stress upon your brains for you have all of that? What the heck? They have a ton load of stress upon your brains to make you have mental problem. One never mother want to buy a man wife, you know, brother. That is so disgusting, bro. It's so disgusting. I feel just cut that's like more because yeah, you know what? Me not getting into it because I was continue. That's something boys asleep. Why on that, bro? No, not that, Bridget. Why? Go up, why on that? That's a big wrong bang, Mr. Brother. Very bound for that. Yo, not disrespect, not disrespect, not family members, isn't it? But he's your son and he's more older, more stronger than you. Back then you're probably strong, but now you're aging, isn't it? You're aging, so he was bound to knock you out in that match, but you don't do no match, isn't it? He was bound to knock you out. He's bound to knock you out inside. Look at this nigga. Look at this dude. Look at him. Whoa, look at this dude, bro. Look at him. Look at him. Like, seriously, look at him. Look at this dude. I always say that. Yeah, you know what I look like? So shit, we can't, we don't know what I look like. You know, similar in our way, like, you look, how we? Whoa, he's a son named Clout, brother. You dog guys them. So yeah, that was that, and me don't know, and me watch it and like, yeah, so the bang of them go and check out them channel because I distracted like on fire. They were like on fire, but they were on fire, on fire, them on fire, them on fire, them on fire. I look up in the sky like, say, yo, what the heck? Yeah, them bad. But not lie, them bad. They're extremely bad, and they did some epic reaction. I don't know what is wrong with this camera. Something wrong with me, but anyways, yeah. It's an epic reaction. I'm like it. Never reaction is a clap back, man. Clap back to the brother something. Yeah, so I don't know about man I take over. Yes, man, everyone care. Whoa, he's always son name cloud, but I be appreciative that the man actually buy a car, man. If I do need a car, man say, you left your mom out here by with him alone. You know what kind of nigga are you? You're bad dead. So, hope you enjoy. Please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment and turn on post notification and comment down on the thing. Please comment. As well.
Cut blocks cause I'm round with the Ruger. Headshot and you bust your medulla. Everybody in the trunk like a booster. You a mascot, you a loser.